Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the styling in the React Native. So let's start the tutorial. I have some added stylings, so let's take a look. So let me connect to my Anydesk. Anydesk, open, send the request. So it's accepting. Let's open it. So we are going to learn how we are going to create such kind of UI. Okay, so let's start the tutorial. So here we have the different view. So this is it is act as a container, and we in container we have mentioned it a flex, justify, content center, background, and align items to be stretch. Okay, and in the this view section, this is closing. Now we have take another view which have the flex, right? Item 1, item 2, item 3, which have the different, you can see flex one, another one again we have taken the flex one, and you can see different we're having the font size and the color, so it aligned properly, right? If somebody needs to be like adding such kind of layouts or UI, so you can definitely use this one. And if you want to make the text justified center, you can also use to the center one. So you can also use align items. Here you can add align items to be center. Align items that we have make it, and we can also make justify content center. You can you can also add justify content center the item, and you can see currently the text is behind the center. And you can also, so let's design the full one, and we will add both of the things to the another one also, so it looks good right now. So this is this one. So we're adding to the item this one also. Basically it is Control Y and save this text. For the you can see that this is the flow, right? Demo text one, demo text one, and here the image is stretched. Let's check out what exactly we have added the image background. So here we need to add justify content center only. There is an error. Let's check justify content center. We will remove both of these things from this app. So and this is currently that view, full spacing, and let's make it adding step by step align items, justify content, or you can line. Okay, so if you want, like, see, we have added the background image over here. You can see it. If you have added the background image, you can also add the different background images over here. So you can choose background images, background images, So you can use any kind of backgrounds. So I'm going to add some of the backgrounds. So let me open image in new tab. So this we are going to use the low one. So here we need to pass the default const image. I will add const image to with the parameter URL, that is URI, and here I'm going to pass my full code. Let's get image 2. So let's use this one in the this part. We make it image 2 and styles for image 2. Says image background does not have the closing tag, so we can close the image background here. So error gone. So let's add the styling of image 2. So here is image, we'll make it image 2, right? And for the this one we will remove the item 3. So you can see that here, and it is, you can see that image is adding successfully. And this how we can like suppose such kind of layouts coming into our in our mind. So you can use such kind of layout. So basically what we have done, I will explain it. So we have the main container, in we have chosen a small steps of the view, and in the view we have mentioned the text and aligned it accordingly, right? So text style, and it is style font this, and it is taking my items. You can see that if I'm going to pass this one text align center to this one, like this, so you can see that now it's looking nice. Demo text in all our alignment. So you can add the respective links to it, so you can redirect to the next screen also. So this is how we can style the view part. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment.